Hello guys, welcome once again to DesiFX, a channel dedicated to simplifying Forex for all. If you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on new content. Today, I'll be talking about market sessions. I know a lot of people often wonder what the best time to trade Forex market is. If you're one of those, you sit back tight, you get your notepad and a pen because you'll need it for this one. By now, I'm sure we all know what Forex is and that we can trade it for 24 hours in a day from Monday when it's open right up to Friday when it closes. But because the market is open for 24 hours doesn't necessarily mean it is active for the entirety of that time, because liquidity in the market flows differently over the different market sessions, and traders need to know exactly which session has the highest liquidity so as to maximize the chances of making money. And regardless of which type of trader you are, you could be a scalper, you could be a day trader, this will serve you all the same. And having a good mastery of these sessions would equally help you plan your entry and exit strategies too. So the Forex market has 4 major trade sessions, which are Tokyo, Sydney, London, and New York, and this is distributed across 4 continents, that is Asia, Australia, Europe, and Americas. So learning about these sessions, their opening and closing time, and being able to link it with your local time will serve as an important weapon in your arsenal for when you intend to hunt bulls and bears, and the best time to do so. Each of these sessions only stays open for 9 hours, and because they are in different parts of the world, they open and close at different hours. So when one is closing, another one is opening up, and it is this overlapping of the market that makes it stay open all day long, 24 hours. So let's say you're a Forex trader, you're based in UK, you trade in GBP USD perhaps. Even if the London session should close, your trade will not be affected because trades are done electronically and not physically. So the currencies of a country will still continue to be traded even if its market session is closed. So to further help you understand this, I'll be using GMT as my base time, and all you have to do is equate this to your local time and get the corresponding timing. I don't know, probably you'd be adding or subtracting. You just have to follow along. So you should also note that apart from the Tokyo session, the other 3 remaining sessions all change by an hour in each year, that's in summers and winters. So we will be starting with Sydney. Sydney opens or begins at 10 p.m. GMT during summer, that's between the month of March or April right up to October or November, and in winter it starts at 9 p.m. GMT. Tokyo, as I earlier said, doesn't change, so it opens at 11 p.m. GMT and closes at 8 a.m. GMT. London session opens at 7 a.m. GMT and closes at 4 p.m. GMT during summer, and 8 a.m. GMT and closes at 5 p.m. GMT during winter. For New York, it opens at noon and closes at 9 p.m. GMT during summer, and opens at 1300 GMT and closes at 10 p.m. GMT in the winter. The changes in this timing, of course, is as a result of daylight saving time. So if you have this in your region, you have to pay particular attention in order to help you calculate more accurately. So looking at the timings, you would realize that there is an overlap of the different market sessions, and it is always during these periods that the market is at its busiest, with high liquidity and equally volatility. The most liquid being, of course, London and New York overlap, which starts at 1200 GMT, lasting 3 hours right up to 1500 GMT. And statistically speaking, London session is the busiest and has the highest trading volume, closely followed by New York session. So when these two sessions overlap, yeah, you guessed it right, harvest is always plentiful. And this is the moment when most professional traders actually stop the market. So as I earlier mentioned, if you have a solid knowledge in market sessions, you will definitely have a positive impact on your trading and will go a long way to increase your overall efficiency in analyzing the market. I hope this video has been helpful. In case of any doubts, visit the comment section as I will be waiting to clear them for you. If you enjoyed this and you learned from it, why don't you go ahead and click the like button and share it too with others so we can all do this together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. It helps the video to reach out to even more audience. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.